Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our online class arranged by Shatkira Public School and College. And I am your Muttalib sir offering your math class. And today we will see the standard 7 math books, math from question number 12. At first I am reading out the question number 12, then we will go to the solution. Here you can see the solution of the question, but I am telling by reading out the question number 12. Shapun can do a work in 24 days, Ratan can do that work in 16 days. In how many days can Shapun and Ratan together finish the work? স্বপন 24 দিনে একটা কাজ করতে পারে, রতন ওই কাজটা 16 দিনে করতে পারে। যদি তাদের দুইজনে একত্রে কাজ করে তাহলে কতটুকু মানে কয়দিনে এই কাজটা শেষ করতে পারবে। তো আমরা এখন দেখি। In 24 days, Shopun can do one work or whole part of the work. So in 1 days, the Shopun can do 1 by 24 part of the work. Again, in 16 days, Ratan can do the 1 part or a whole part of the work. In 1 day, he will do 1 by 16 part of the work. So in 1 day, they together can do 1 by 24 plus 1 by 16 part of the work. Here LCM of 24 and 16 is 48. So after dividing 48 by 24 we will get 1, and dividing 48 by 16 we will get 3. After adding we will get 5 by 48. They together can do 5 by 48 part of the work in 1 day. So in one whole part of the work they will finish 1 divided by 5 by 48. Here is the part of the calculation. You can see. You can see that after changing division into we will get 48 by 5. So after subtract dividing we will get 9 and 3 by 3/5 days. So the required amount of time is 9 and 3/5 of the day. Now we will go to the question number 14. First I am reading out the question number 14. 13 workers can build a house in 20 days. 10 days after beginning the work, it was stopped for 6 days due to bad weather. How many extra workers will be need to finish the work on time? মানে 20 জন শ্রমিক একটা কাজ 20 দিনে শেষ 30 জন শ্রমিক একটা কাজ 20 দিনে শেষ করতে পারে। তো 10 দিন কাজ শুরু করার পরে 10 দিন কাজ চলার পরে খারাপ আবহাওয়ার জন্য 6 দিন কাজ বন্ধ থাকে। তো বাকি যেটুকু সময় আছে ওইটুকুর ভিতর যদি আমরা কাজটা শেষ করতে চাই তাহলে কতগুলো অতিরিক্ত শ্রমিক লাগবে সেটা আমাদেরকে এখানে চাওয়া হয়েছে। তো আমরা দেখি, let's see the whole work is 1 part. So the 20 days 30 workers can do 1 part of the work. So in 1 day আমরা জানি 1 day হলে তাহলে time will be একদিনে খুব কমটুকু করতে পারবে 1 by 20 part of the work. In 10 days 30 workers can do 1 into 100 by 20 part of the work. So after dividing this we will get half part of the work. Therefore remaining work is 1 minus half. That means half part of the work. The remaining days is 20 minus 10. That means 10 days. Remaining time for the working being stopped, মানে যেহেতু খারাপ আবহাওয়ার জন্য 6 দিন কাজ বন্ধ ছিল, সেক্ষেত্রে টোটাল টাইম কতটুকু বাকি আছে? আমাদের মোট ছিল 20 দিন, তার থেকে 10 দিন কাজ হয়েছে আর 6 দিন বন্ধ ছিল। সো আফটার সাবট্রাক্টিং 16 from 20 we will get 4 days. So in 10 days half part work done by 30 workers. In 1 day half part of work done by 30 into 10 workers. In 4 days যেহেতু একদিনে হাফ কাজ করতে হলে 10 দিনের তুলনায় বেশি শ্রমিক লাগবে। So in 4 days half part of work done by will be calculation here. You can see the calculation. Sorry. Here is the calculation. 30 into 10 by 4. After dividing 10 by 2 we will get 5. 4 by 2 we will get 2. Then after 30 divided by 2 we will get 15. After multiplying 15 by 5 we will get 75 workers. So extra worker will be needed 75 workers. Subtract 30 because we had 30 workers, so extra worker will be needed 45. So the required amount of extra worker will be 45 workers. Now the today's last question. Here is the question number 15. At first I am reading out the question number 15, then we will go to solution. Here is the question number 15. A and B can together do a work in 16 days. B and C together can do it in 12 days, and A and C together can do in 20 days. In how many days can A, B, C together do of that work? মানে A আর B একটা কাজ 16 দিনে, B আর C সেই কাজটা 12 দিনে, এবং C আর A ওই কাজটা 20 দিনে করতে পারে। যদি তারা একত্রে কাজটা করতো তাহলে কতদিন সময় লাগবে সেটা আমাদেরকে এখানে বের করতে বলা হয়েছে। ইন 16 days A plus B together can do one part. So in 1 days A plus B will earn by 16 part of the work. Again in 12 days B plus C together can do one part, and in 1 days B plus C together earn by 12 part. Again in 20 days A plus C together can do one part of the work. In 1 days they can do 1 by 20 parts. So in one day A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C can do together 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 part of the work. So in one day, after adding this, we will get 2A plus 2B plus 2C together can do, after LCM of 16, 20 and 12, we will get the LCM is 240. If we divide 240 by 16, we will get 15. If we divide 240 by 12, we will get 20. Then if we divide 240 by 20, we will get 2. After adding this, we will get 47 by 240 part of the work. Then 2 into, if we common 2, here we will get 2 into A plus B plus C together can do 47 by 240 part of the work. In one day A plus B plus C together can do 47 by 2 into, as 2 is related with multiplication, after changing the side it will become division, and after that calculation we will get 47 by 480. Then the next calculation is here. You can see so A plus B plus C together can do 47 by 480 part of work in one day. So A plus B plus C together can do one or whole part of the work in 1 divided by 47 by 480. After interchanging division it become into, and after dividing 480 down by 47 we will get 10 and 10 by 47. So the required amount of days will be needed 10 and 10 by 40 days. Here is the completion of the class. I think everybody will be able to understand the math. If any question or problem, ask me in the Zoom class. I will try to solve your problem. Up to that, stay well with your family at home. Allah Hafiz.